me that head now. Whoa. Play with the money, I wrap you a bow tie. In the middle, your dome, that's a bullseye. Remember 5th grade, I was selling that coke. I beat the 100, I would not tell no lie.
Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video on my channel, Chizzy ODN.
You know the name?
Right now, we're going to be doing a bike check on this custom wheelie mountain bike.
Run the edit!
I know you like the back.
No, don't.
Don't even lie. Don't lie to yourself.
Oh, sorry.
You see you looking at the screen, you liking my back. No, you keep your back.
Unbelievable.
Outrageous.
Where's that behaviour?
But yeah, today we're going to be doing a bike check, going through all the little features. Because there's some little features that I've added that make wheelies so much easier.
Why is this guy saying features twice?
We're going to get into it, innit? But obviously, make sure you leave a like on the video, turn on the post notifications, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram's going to be right there, chizzy.ldn.
I don't even lie, that was called.
But yeah, let's get into the video. This bike is called a Lucky 6 SDB. This is a mountain bike that's literally custom for wheelies. I think SDB stands for street terrain bike. It's a medium one, so it's a 16-inch frame, but it's got 29-inch wheels. Now there are two options when you go buy Lucky 6. There's a large one, which is an 18-inch frame, and the medium, which is 16-inch, which is this one. You see how it like curves? You got to tilt in the seat even more if you want to get it like tilted. Like my seat is tilting, but it looks straight on here because of how the frame goes. And they've got extended things here, so you can do framework. Like there's a lot of space to put your feet in there. It's got 10 gears. The gears actually Shimano deals. My 9th and 10th ones are messed up right now. But yeah, they're decent gears. Ish. The frame is really lightweight though. Like you just pull up like man.
This guy thinks he's bare strong.
These are some pretty good suspensions, but this is broken because of Liam. This should go in there. Like, it should be adjustable with this clicky thing. But like Liam broke it. I'm gonna put the clip on. This is literally how he broke it. Right now. These are broken now, so I've just taken the thing off. Like this is just don't know. Actually, I need to get a new wire. I can probably put it back on. Look at my lights. Oh, these are nice, and they're blue as well. Absolutely lovely. Look at them flash. Oh, you see how man's lights flash? Does a boyfriend's light flash like that? Nah, babes. The handlebars are quite wide. Like they're alright handlebars, obviously. They're calm, I can't lie. Nice handlebars. Moving on to the brake. This is a Shimano long lever brake, but it works so sick because I put my other disc on. This is a Shimano 180 disc. Because 180 is bigger than a 160, that means bigger surface area. So it's a better brake feel. Bit of science, mate, bit of science. I feel like having this brake with that disc is the best combination. I like these brakes for the wheelies because like just the feel of them. The midpoint is just oof, when you tap them as well, tappers. It can still slide a little bit, but it's not too sharp, but it is sharp. Oh, this bike is so dope. Oh my days. The crankset is Holotech. These are literally the best quality cranksets. I haven't really had any problems with them yet. You can see all the way through and that. Just some default mafia pedals. These pedals are dead, I can't lie. I just can't really swap, you know, for my other pedals because someone's boy has my back and he broken it. It's outrageous. 12 good seat. Bad life seats and that souped up. This seat is really grippy because of the material of the actual 12 thing. Like literally grips your knees. Grip your kneecap, grip your buttocks. No homo. On schlam. Wipe your nose. On gang. Onto the wheels. I put this reflective stuff literally all around my wheels. It looks lang when it's being pedalled. Like you can barely see the little marks. But yeah. Finally, my tires. Whoa. I've already said Hookcombs are the best tires that exist right now. Just the feel of them, like, yeah, love on Hookcomb idol. Out of 10, I'll give this back a 9.5. Drag 9. Yeah, 9. I'll give it a 9 because my gears are slipping at the moment. Alright guys, so that was basically the whole bike check of this Lucky 6 SCB. But yeah, thanks for watching the video. Obviously subscribe to the channel, like the video, follow me on Instagram at CheesyODN. Right now I'm gonna throw some clips of me on the drone. But yeah, thanks for watching the video and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.